Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know I've been gone for a really long time. I was just busy with work and planning my dad's party. My dad currently retired, so we threw a birthday / retirement party. It was pretty cool. And so I was busy with that, so I couldn't record and do any pranks or anything. But I'm back on it. And so today I went to go pick up an air horn at Dick's Sporting Goods. I bought it online just because I didn't want to struggle and look. So I think I'm gonna need some scissors. Oh, never mind. So I thought I should just try it out first to see how loud it is and to see how to actually work it before I try to use it without even knowing what to do. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I'll just try it, see how loud it is. Here goes nothing. Oh my fucking god. Look at the cat, y'all. Did I wake you up? Huh? You mad? Oh, poor kitty. So yeah, that shit is pretty loud. So you guys, I just wanted to come on here to let y'all know that yesterday when I tried to scare Chris, I didn't do good. So I had it behind my back. Nervous to do it, I don't know why. And I had it behind my back, so I had it upside down and he was walking towards me, and since it was upside down, it didn't do it correctly, but it still did like a little noise, like a little spray noise, and he kind of like got a little scared. But I promise, man, I have to get him. I have to get him. I just have to. So I'm actually going to the store with my mom and my little sister. I'm excited. I'm just gonna fake it like if I'm actually vlogging for the day, and I'm gonna do it in the car if I have to. Oh my god.
Are you recording?
I'm vlogging today. ¿Sí cerrar la puerta bien?
Where are you going today?
I'm vlogging.
¿A dónde vamos?
No sé dónde quieren ir ustedes.
¿A qué tienda?
Ooh, look, perfect spot too.
Es que no.
Sit in the middle so we can see you. Yeah.
I'm here, guys.
Oh shit. Ah, now I can't reach.
Hi, guys.
Yeah.
Do you like my glasses?
Oh yeah. Oh! Mom, drive slower. Vamos a ir a la new H-E-B. The two-story H-E-B.
¿Está bonita?
Dicen que está bonito.
¿Has ido?
No, no he ido. Quiero ir.
¿Vamos?
Yeah.
¿Y por dónde es?
Derecho. So I'm trying to make this work.
Ay.
Actually, what is that here? How was that?
Tremendous pain. Keep it elevated. Eric Bludgeon, Are you done? You don't have nothing to float on there?
No.